Morning. Good, man.
You going to school?
Yeah.
That's so late.
Huh?
How come so late?
Oh, today's a late start. I go in later.
Oh, you going later?
Yeah.
That's right. I came earlier today.
Yeah, that's good. You always come.
I usually come later on, but
Yeah, like 2:40, right?
yeah, around that time. That's the time you get out of school, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool. Alright.
Alright. Are you going to the right?
Huh?
Are you going to the right when you get up?
That way. Same.
Left? The left? So left is left? Okay.
I thought she was here.
See ya, man.